Stop scrolling. Discover why gardening is the ultimate stress reliever. Ready to get your hands dirty? In today's fast-paced world, finding peace can be tough. But there's a simple way. Gardening. It's not just about plants. Gardening nurtures your well-being. Studies show it lowers cortisol, blood pressure, and boosts your mood. Connecting with the earth is therapeutic. Watching something grow, pure joy. Plus, it's great exercise. Stays active, improves strength, burns calories, all gentle on your body. Mindfulness in every weed and water. Clear your mind, reduce anxiety, find calm. And don't forget the social perks. Share tips, plants, joy, whether with family or in a community garden. So grab a trowel. Start small or go big. Experience peace and happiness in nurturing life. Begin your gardening journey today. Grow a healthier, happier you.